Reviewing work that was assigned on January 6th, addition word problems. Your directions were to use your math notebook to work out the following addition word problems and then answer the questions. Remember that I do expect you guys to do the math. Number 1, Foreman Middle School has 98 students. Towers Middle School has 76 more students than Foreman Middle School. How many students do both schools have combined? I'm going to find out my important information, and I see that there is 98 students, or there are 98 students at Foreman, and 76 students more than Foreman. Okay, so those are the numbers that I'm working with, 98 and 76. Okay, now I'm going to take a look at my question. How many students do both schools have combined? That is my key word right there, combined, telling me that I need to add these two pieces of information. Okay, so if I were to do that, and I'm actually going to write that stacked so I can follow that rule of place value. 8 plus 6, 14. Okay, I'm going to carry my 1 because I cannot write 14 down here in my answer. I have to split it up, and I've got to carry the one that would be in that tens place to my next place column. We have 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 7 more, 17. So my answer should be D, 174 students combined. And I should have given you a clue that you were supposed to add because we are working with addition word problems. Number 2, use the table to answer questions 5 and 6. Here's the table that we will be using, this chart. The table shows the amount of money Karen can earn doing chores. So we can see that our table is titled Karen's Chores. That's what it's about. We have the chores that she completed on this side, and then how much money she earned for each chore on this side. So for example, one of her chores was to mow the yard. She was paid $23 to mow the yard. Fold laundry, $12. Wash the dog, $18. Our first question says, what is the largest total amount Karen can earn if she only has time to complete 2 different chores? So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to look. I'm going to find the 2 chores that she can get paid the most. Okay? Because it's asking the largest total amount. Well, I can see that for mowing the lawn, she gets paid $23. And for washing the dog, she gets paid $18. I'm going to use those 2 amounts because they are the largest. And we want to know about completing 2 different chores. Okay, so I want to know how much money she could make. I'm going to stack them so I can have them stacked for my place value. 3 and 8 is 11. I'm going to carry my 1 to that next place column. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 more is 4. Okay. A, she can make $41 doing 2 different chores. That's the most she can make just doing 2 of these 3 chores. Our next question asks, what is the total amount of money Karen can earn if she does all her chores? Okay. And again, it's saying total amount. There's our key word to say we are adding. So if I want her to do all her chores, then I'm going to add all these numbers together. She can make $23 mowing the yard, 12 folding laundry, and 18 washing the dog. So I'm going to add all 3 of these up. Now, even though that we are adding 3 numbers, I'm still going to stack them so I can make sure that each of my digits are in their correct place. 3 plus 2, that is 5. plus 8 is 13. I'm going to write the 3 at the bottom, carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So she can make $53 if she did all 3 of those chores. So B. Now your challenge questions were very similar to that last question we just did together. There are 3 large numbers, but that's okay because you're just going to add them up using what you know about place value. Okay. Well, let's see. I have 9 plus 5 plus 4. Well, if I put these together, I know that 5 and 4 is 9. So that's 9 plus 9, 18. I'm going to carry my 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 1 more, 10. I'm going to put the 0 in my 10 there and the 1 in my 10 in the next place column. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 6 is 11. Plus 8 will give me 19 all together. Okay. Moving that 1 in that number 19 to my next place column and then add those 4 digits up. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 9 is 11. Oh, excuse me, 12. And then plus 3 more is 15. Okay, so my answer is 15,908. Okay, I'll let you do this last one on your own. But remember to follow that place value and carry. If you have a number that adds up to 2 digits, you've got to carry that larger digit to the next place column.